Number 11. Use Action Center. Set up Bluetooth, connect with devices in your network, use your PC as a Wi-Fi hotspot, turn notifications on and off. Those and many other functions in newer versions of Windows are available in one place called Action Center. To open it, simultaneously press the Window key plus A. For Mac users, your Notification Center is always a click away in the top right-hand corner. Access the settings. If you need more tweaking or access to more advanced parameters of your PC, you can have it all. Use the Windows key plus I to do just that. Talk to Cortana or Siri. Task managers, thorough researchers, life organizers, interesting conversation partners. Nowadays, computers come with a personal assistant literally built in. Siri and Cortana can do it all, and you can call them up with just one touch. To open Cortana on Windows in listening mode, press the Windows key plus C. And to summon Siri on Mac OS, hold Command and space together. Hey Siri! Use the Windows game bar. So, you've been working hard all day, bringing up these desktops and whatnot. You come home and it's time to relax to a nice gaming sesh. And here it comes, that exciting moment when you finally beat that insane boss fight, or you and your friends had a hilarious exchange or epic battle in the online game you're playing together. If only you could capture that moment forever. Well, actually, you have everything you need right in the Game Bar feature on your PC. You can bring it up at any time by pressing the Windows key plus G to set up recording manually. But that's not all. Game Bar itself has a hotkey for starting and stopping recording. Just press Windows plus Alt plus R. You can even start streaming by pushing the Windows key plus Alt plus B. Mac OS also has its own feature for capturing videos, and it's really simple to use. Press Shift plus Command plus 5 to record the screen using QuickTime Player. Lock down your PC. Let's say you share a computer with your family or coworkers, and you've spent all day looking for the perfect gift for your mom, or slacking off at work and you don't want anyone to know about it. If you suddenly need to step away from the computer, but you don't want anyone meddling in your stuff, you can quickly lock your user profile. Simply push the Windows key plus L or Shift plus Command plus Q on a Mac. Just make sure you set up your password first and don't forget it.